If you're a writer or you have a message you want to share or a book that you have seeds of within you, I really want to invite you to join me at the Hay House Writers Workshop, which is this September in Edinburgh. I am going to be speaking there along with some other amazing authors too. And I can't quite believe it because I've written many books in the world and created oracles as well. But about 10 years ago, I actually attended the Writers Workshop, and it's actually how I got published. My first book, Light is the New Black. And yeah, when I look back, I get asked this so often, like what advice do you have for aspiring writers? And really it's two things. The first one is to treat your writing and the message that you're being called to share like a profession, even before it is your real full-time job. We need to move from being like, I've got this idea within me, to actually showing up and writing each and every day. So I think that's probably the best decision I ever made. And then the other thing I recommend is just really taking yourself seriously and trusting that your book has its own unique path in the world, and to just keep on kind of like knocking on doors until you find that right path for you. And the Writers Workshop is an amazing opportunity if you do want to have a book out into the world. Really, for a couple of reasons. First of all, you'll learn so much about the writing process, but also about publishing and self-publishing and which route might be right for you. And then finally, and this is the best bit, I think, someone in the room at the Writers Workshop will win a book contract. So you'll get the opportunity to submit a proposal. And yes, someone's book will end up being published. And yeah, I can speak from experience that it can really change your life going to this event. So I hope you'll join me. I'm going to be talking about my writing process, which I know different authors have very different writing processes. So I'm looking forward to sharing about that, and yeah, just some things that I've learned along the way around really gathering up the courage to share your voice and to really show up to your writing in a disciplined way. So I hope you'll join me, and yeah, I just want to say to just trust the book seeds that are within you, and just keep showing up to them each and every day.